simplicity, honesty, and humbleness abound. He had an aura of pure serenity around. सोतल से सितारों तक उठे थे नन्हे कदम, दिल छोटा, बड़ी आस, सफल होने का जोश हरदम। कंधों पर परिवार का भार लिए कितने मुश्किल रास्ते थे पार किए। कब बचपन बीता, जवानी गई, नहीं थी कोई नवीन आस, बस सबकी जिम्मेदारी का था एहसास, हर पल एहसास। The Odyssey starts from Sotil, our ancestral village, famous for its devotion and abundant holy faith. Our proud Rajput legacy originates from those royal times of majestic Maharajas, enormous elephants, and a family deity, the supreme Shiva divine. On wings of hard work and truth, he strived to rise and achieve the best in life. With strength of silence, he went afar. Sacrifices elevated him to be the shiniest star.
Daddy's biggest support system in the entire family was his sister Kunto Behenji, a lady with a heart of gold and compassion for her brothers and sisters. Our Fufaji, Chaudhry Risal Singh, shared her responsibility with a big heart. My Mamaji was the backbone of the Rathore Parivar. Nobody can be like him.
पर्वत से निर्विकार, तपस्वी योगी सी आंखें, धरती और काल को नापते से कदम, हर किसी की चिंता को अपनी पेशानी पर लिए हुए, ऐसे थे मेरे मामा.
A sister who was strong and bold in spite of the hardships she faced in life. Their son, Billa Bhai, helped Daddy in establishing Narjyoti Gas Service. He was the first trainee of Indane. Shivi Mamaji was a sauce and handsome personality. We got his unconditional support, financially and emotionally, in our days of difficulties when we lost our father. Easily approachable, Mamaji's benevolent attitude can be traced in every walk of life. We respect our Mamaji. I spent 5 years with him at Hisar. Daddy, during his last days, often remembered his Sarla Behenji, a soft-spoken sister. Birbal Fufaji, always cheerful and jovial, was his closest friend. Daddy used to laugh a lot when he was around. Papa always used to treat Mamaji as his friend and advisor more than his relative. We have always seen them admiring each other. He tied the family in one knot. We stayed with our Mamaji for our studies, especially for B.Ed. We wish he was there to guide us. A brother in heaven, lovingly called Bahadur. Nobody can imagine the emotional turmoil Daddy underwent when his younger brother was paralyzed in an accident just a year after he became an officer. He looked after him like a child and then lost him to fate. A pain which he kept in his heart, a spot that never belonged to anyone else but to his dear brother, Bahadur. A brother will always stand by you, which was always done by his youngest brother. Said Nathi, he was a father figure to me. My whole life was guided by my Shivi Bhai Sahab. He would regularly visit us in the village 22 kilometers on foot from Kurali to Sotal, would apprise me of the latest knowledge required for preparing for various competitive exams like JSW, NDA, etc. He took full responsibility for our education and made sure I joined NDA and stayed there till I became an officer. Growing up, I revered my brother and still do. If Shivi Bhai Sahab was not there, I would have ended up as a teacher.
ईश्वर आशीषों से परिपूर्ण श्री शिव ओम प्रकाश अलौकिक रूप श्री भगवान रतन के एक रतन अपने में समक्ष सशक्त सफल दृढ़ स्तंभ उदार हृदय अपने में दम विश्वास लिए दृढ़ संकल्प ढूंढे कहाँ नहीं कोई विकल्प।
Great relationships. Their words reflect the extent of their respect for you, Daddy. A person of sterling qualities, cultured, well mannered, and knowledgeable. He carried out all his responsibilities admirably well. His brother's education, sister's marriages, looking after his bedridden brother. A few in the big list. An introvert who seldom shared his problems. Although doubtful, yet he supported his wife in establishing Digvijay Memorial School, an unrecognized passive contribution. During his last days, probably he had a premonition, so he visited almost all his near and dear ones to bid goodbye alone. We admire him. Our big-hearted, jovial, loving Rajan Mamaji, who stayed with Daddy for the longest time. Daddy motivated him to join army. Always ready to help Mummy and Daddy at home, school or agency. Gone, but certainly not forgotten. Respected Jijaji, an excellent human being. His departure left a big void in the family. A man with a large heart and always kind to all. He lives in our heart with great fondness. Remembering ever green, ever pleasant, ever smiling Jijaji.
Hey Didi. Well, Tayaji was Santa Claus to me. I think of him and I think of Santa Claus. He always, without fail, brought a lot of toffees or chocolates for us whenever he came to meet us. He always smiled. I remember him just smiling and he had a warmth around him. Love you, Tayaji, and love you, Didi, for doing this for him. Lots of love.
Shivi uncle was the most reliable and adorable child of the family. My grandfather treated him like his son. On his directions, he would take up additional responsibilities, family or ancestral property in the village. The most noticeable quality about him was his utter modesty. For someone of his stature and bearing, it was the most endearing one that is difficult to perceive in today's time. We all stand indebted to him for whatever he did for all of us. The family spent the maximum time in Sothal with her father, Shri Prabdayal, a favor Daddy never forgot and cared for the family after his Chachaji's death. शिवी वीर जी जैसा कोई नहीं हो सकता. The association goes back to the times when Colonel Saab was an emergency detainee at Hisar jail and Mr. Rathore was the superintendent. In spite of the atmosphere of fear prevailing in those days, Daddy was bold enough to interact with him in jail and entertain his family at home. And then they became samdhis. हम जेल गए थे, जेलर की बेटी उड़ा लाए, he would say. Colonel Saab would often praise him for his modesty and helpful nature. The only Rajput sher in the entire prison department, he said.
एक बार राठौर अंकल जी मेरे गांव चमैन तहसील कोटखाई जिला शिमला में पधारे थे। मेरा घर सड़क से 200-300 मीटर दूरी पर था और उस दिन बारिश हो रही थी। मुझे चिंता हो रही थी कि अंकल जी इस कीचड़ भरे रास्ते में कैसे चलेंगे, लेकिन अंकल जी बहुत आसानी से घर पहुंच गए और मैंने राहत की सांस ली। मैं उनके इस आचरण से बड़ा प्रभावित हुआ। इतने उच्च अधिकारी होते हुए भी राठौर साहब को तनिक भी अहंकार नहीं था। वे बहुत ही साधारण, गंभीर व शांत स्वभाव के व्यक्ति थे। ऐसे व्यक्ति से मिलकर मैं अपने आप को गौरवान्वित महसूस कर रहा हूँ। मैं ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि उन्हें स्वर्ग में शांति प्रदान करें।
I am eternally grateful to Shri Prakash Singh Badal ji for calling me up personally and paying tribute to my dear father. बहुत अच्छे अफसर थे राठौर साहब। हम अक्सर करनाल जेल में बातें करते थे। बेटा, अगर मैं ठीक होता तो जरूर आपसे मिलने आता। A person of his stature and 93 years of age is so mentally agile, affectionate and humble to the core. I convey my heartfelt gratitude to this iconic personality. God bless him with the best of health and spirits.
Shri S.P. Rathore was well known to my family. He was affable, very conscientious, a good host and family man with unimpeachable integrity. In Hisar, he served for a long time as superintendent of jails. He was a well-respected officer. Ably assisted by his wife, they started Digvijay Memorial School, which very soon became extremely popular. They also had a gas agency, which did more social service than business. I have personally met him a couple of times and always marveled at his knowledge on many subjects. A man of words, he was an epitome of Rajput values and chivalry. I can can recall Mr. Rathore as a gentleman officer who had distinguished himself in correctional justice administration in Haryana. He gave us very valuable training at Hisar, and his affection and association continued for many years. Shri S.P. Rathore was a colleague of my father in 1950. His good nature and goodwill gave him a happy life. He was loved by all who knew him as an honest and meticulous man. He had a fine tradition of public service, which he fulfilled with modest and honest distinction. A man who never deviated from a high code of honor and duty. He endeared all by his courtesy and warm hospitality. I'm still in touch with his family. All these memories of Mr. S.P. Rathore warms the cockles of my heart.
Remembering and penning a few lines would be injustice to Shivi uncle, who I remember throughout my growing up years. A gentleman to the core, I often wondered how he could manage those hardcore criminals lodged in Karnal jail, where we always stopped on our way from Delhi to the village. Very fond and unforgettable memories of this wonderful person who always stood by my parents in their hours of happiness and grief. What real friendship is, one learned from them. Always will cherish time spent with Uncle and Saroj auntie. Wherever they are, I am sure they must be all blessing us.
Though we had deep family bondings, but my first connection with respected Shri S.P. Rathore ji and his family took place way back in 1980s. Through the bestest gift a newly wedded bride to being a kitchen queen could dream of in those days. So it began with our first connection of Khana, Banana, Khazana, gas connection, which is still continuing, but at an eternal heart-to-heart level. Ever grateful, we offer our heartfelt prayers and love for this noble blessed soul to be in eternal peace, moving onwards on its soul yatra in the heart of God and His grace. Om Shanti. Love must keep flowing.
Your daddy and mummy were the best pair, well-dressed and with good food standards. He was clear-minded and a role model for Rajput families. He set an example of honesty for everyone and created a goodwill. Normally, a police officer doesn't settle down at a place from where he retires. But Rathore Sahab did so, as he had impeccable and clean reputation, a rare quality these days. My association with Rathore Bhai Sahab had been one of my greatest personal and emotional strengths. He was my mentor, guide, and more than an elder brother. My stay in HAU was one of my best tenure, and Rathore Bhai Sahab was instrumental in this. He held my hand through thicks and thins. He was a remarkable host and was a man of grace and taste. Time and distance strengthened our relationship. He decided to be local guardian of my two kids who had to be put in hostel when I joined NDUAT Faizabad, and he proved more than a father to them. His death had been one of my greatest personal loss. I extend my good wishes to the family. It's been 44 years today, and we have continued to have a great relationship with the Rathore family. Our families have seen each other through joy and sorrow. His children became my siblings, and I have the fondest memories of his younger son Digvijay, who tragically passed away at a very young age. His daughters are closer to me than my real sister, and his son continues to address me as his elder brother. All this is not by design. It is because of people like Rathore Saab, who were patriarchs of their family and by extension of mine. I always remember his many courtesies and regard for us, and because of the relationship he started, then I got a second father as well. He is a reminder of a gentle era knit with close social ties which prevail to date. स्वर्गीय एसपी राठौर मेरे लिए प्रेरणा का स्रोत थे। वो मानवीय गुणों से सुशोभित थे और उनके पास हर समस्या को सरल रूप से सुलझाने का हुनर था। हॉस्पिटल में डायलिसिस के समय मैं उनके साथ रहता था। घर आते ही मेरी पत्नी सरोज को हलवा बनाने के लिए कहते थे। अंतिम क्षणों में मैं उनके साथ था और मैं और शशि अहलावत गीता का उच्चारण करते रहे। मैं जब भी उन क्षणों को याद करता हूं तो आंखें छलक आती हैं। वो एक महान शख्स थे। Thakur S.P. Rathore was the main architect and president of the Rajput Sabha, Hisar. He took an endeavor to form a common platform for the Rajput community of that area. He travelled widely across the towns and villages of Hisar region and persuaded many to join hands to achieve the social objectives of the community at large. Besides acquiring land and construction of Rajput Dharamshala, Rathore Saab made very significant efforts to socially enlighten people towards children education, employment, and eradication of social evils prevailing. Rajput community of Hisar region still remembers him as a great human being and a man of strong vision. It was a very peaceful, cordial period of our prison service under the command of Rathore Sahib. A very good administrator and guide. The whole staff used to treat him like a head of the family. He will always be remembered. We still miss him. As I traversed through the regions of the past, the old memories flash through my mind, and I'm filled with same enthusiasm as I felt when I was in the enlightened company of Shri S.P. Rathore, my pillar of strength. Rathore Sahib had vast knowledge of psychology, criminology, penology, juvenile delinquency, and philosophy, with which he guided us effortlessly. Rathore Sahib dealt with the hardest of prisoners with a human touch. He was of the opinion that they are victims of cruelty by society. He was an embodiment of great qualities like honesty, efficiency, punctuality, hard work, and had affectionate relations with his seniors and subordinates.
बहुत ही क्लोज फैमिली टर्म्स होने के कारण राठौर अंकल के साथ मेरा कनेक्शन बहुत ही इनफॉर्मल टाइप का था। अंकल हर सिचुएशन में से एक विट निकाल कर ले आते थे। एक बार जब कई दफ़ा पुकारने के बाद भी उन्होंने मुझे जवाब नहीं दिया तो मेरे पूछने पर बहुत ही शैतानी वाले लहजे में बोले, मेहरबा हो के बुला लो मुझे चाहो जिस वक्त, मैं गया वक्त नहीं कि फिर आ ना सकूं। उनके साथ रहते हुए मैंने ये सीखा कि ज़िंदगी को कैसे बिना सीरियस हुए जिया जा सकता है। मे हिज सोल रेस्ट इन पीस। थैंक यू।
The guiding light of our father has proven to be the brightest star on the horizon. Looking up there and knowing that we share the same universe makes us feel closer to you, Daddy. We love you and so proud of you. एहसास फॉर डैडी। कौन कहता है सिर्फ तारों में रहते हैं आप, हर पल हमारी यादों के आकाश में जगमगाते हैं आप। प्यारी यादों की खुशबू बसती है घर में, मगर प्यारी आवाज की वो खनक है कहाँ। क्या खामोश यादों के सिवा कुछ भी नहीं है आस। जी नहीं, आपकी हम्बल लेगेसी का सबको है एहसास, हर पल एहसास। विद लव, आपकी बेटी अनुपम। We are sincerely thankful to all our near and dear ones for spending their positive energies and embarking upon this intriguing odyssey to unfold our cosmic saga. Sotal se sitaron tak, eternally grateful. We, the Rathors.